Welcome. We are making fresh fish stew without milk in the village. I've put the onions and I will not use any oil. There are my tomatoes. Adding the tomatoes. We'll add my ginger and garlic. So I'll put the water and the fish and leave the food to boil. Ooh. Fresh fish in the village. Wow. I'm putting the salt. Oh, and I have chicken all around me. Ooh. Wow. Hey. Fresh fish stew. So I've put the onions, the tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and salt. Here is the fish. I've cut into two for the family of 5 people. Here we are. You put your fish in the vegetables. Remember, this is fresh fish. It's fresh, very fresh, right from the lake. Remember, I'm in the village. Just got them from there. You can put some water, cover, and leave the fish to boil for 30 to 40 minutes so that it can get ready. Remember, it's fresh fish. We need it ready, soft, and yummy. Look at our fish stew. Then now I cover with my sufuria. My fish stew is ready. This is fresh fish stew in the village. Remember, as I said, it is right from the lake, like it was fresh from the lake. Our fish is ready. Look at fresh fish stew without milk, ready to serve. Please try this at home and make sure you subscribe, share the video, and press the notification button. If you're new here, karibu sana. God bless you.